Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to set and adjust artificial lightings in Enscape. First, artificial lighting simulation. Step 1. Use a nighttime scene. Sunset or sunrise would work the best for a realistic rendering. Step 2. Turn off auto exposure in Enscape visual settings. Exposure brightness can be 60% to 80% for a nighttime scene. Exposure brightness can be 51% to 53% for a daytime scene. Step 3. The render quality should be high or ultra. Step 4. Vignette effect equals 0%. Step 5. Artificial light brightness equals 100% to 150%. Once you change the time of day, you must click Create 3D View to save that time of day. Step 1. Click Create 3D View from the Enscape tab. Step 2. Name the view. You may need to adjust the value of illuminance on the initial intensity of lighting properties. Use and adjust self-illumination materials for lighting sources. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to set and adjust artificial lightings in Enscape. Thank you.